re-enable a disable app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find apps. Tap apps and then find the apps you like to re-enable. Or you can quickly find the app by tapping the search icon and then type the app's name. Tap the app you like to re-enable and then tap enable. The selected app has been re-enabled and will be displayed again on the app screen. As a note, disabling an app may cause other apps or functions related to this app do not work properly. Thus, you have to re-enable the app to fix the issue. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.